Hi, my name is Jennifer, and hello. Today I'm on day 2 of my training for lead light class, and we are just finishing up learning how to solder our lead joints. Everything I've been doing in the past year I've actually learned from watching the ArtyRV channel. So it was a great opportunity when this came open. I had to jump on it right away to come to learn lead light officially. The most important I learned, I feel, is the touch and go method for putting the lead in the joints in the stained glass for soldering the lead joints.
So when you 1, 2, 1, 2, and then just push it.
There it is.
Okay.
Hi, my name is Dawn. I am a COVID self-taught, so can be a little rough. So this is actually my first time having any kind of class instruction at all, and it's been great. I've been looking for the lead process for a long time. Obviously, COVID is probably one of those things that held us all back from being able to jump in, but I was very excited to come here. I'm a local, and I've known of your business here, and I've enjoyed coming in, so this is a thrill for me to kind of be back behind the main doors and see what goes on, and to learn from you great people what goes on. But I think probably what I've learned is some of the skills that I was trying to work on my own really needed to be really be retaught, because what I was doing was okay, but it certainly wasn't always getting the job done. So I think it's been bringing the whole thing full circle for me. And that's been awesome.
So what's happened now that you've got this window together?
Yep.
The only thing that can hurt it is if you drop it or step on it.
That could happen.
And let's not do either one of those.
Not today, no.
And we're going to start in the middle.
It's a good brush to do that with.
$1.99.
They're nice. How much are they?
$1.99 or $1.50 at Dollar General.
There you go. That's nice.
Okay, so push it right in. Same way here and here.
But basically,
now-
you want to push it in all directions.
Now I want you to see. See where I started first? It's already dry. Watch. Now we're going just on to the next one. Okay. Circular motions, straight lines in, over,
Every which way you're trying to get.
hold and push.
So you don't have a lot on here, though. I see. It's not like
Oh no.
it's not like you're
Go ahead.
dumping a ton on there.
Oh no. And